Hello everyone and welcome back to Remote Only Hub. In today's video, I share 12 fully remote jobs that are paying $25 to $35 per hour. And the first position I have for you is through Calm, and they are a meditation, sleep, and relaxation app offering guided meditations, music, soundscapes, stories, and more. And they have over 100 million downloads so far with over 1.5 million 5-star reviews. And the position they have is an Associate Customer Experience Specialist. In this role, you'll provide customer support, handle escalated cases, and assist with process improvement projects. They do provide a description of their ideal candidate, which would be someone with previous customer support experience, preferably for a tech company. They do list some nice to haves, but as far as requirements, they're looking at 2 years of relevant experience, 1 year of experience in customer support, and 1 year working with Zendesk or a similar ticketing platform. The pay for this position is $52,000 to $73,000 per year. The next position I have for you is through Bloom Institute of Technology, and they are an online coding bootcamp that trains people to become software engineers, data scientists, or back-end developers. They do guarantee a 90% job placement rate, so this is a great company for those looking to break into tech. And the position they have is a learner success support representative. And in this role, you'll be responsible for providing wraparound support to their learners with academic, admissions, and technical inquiries. And I do want to mention that this does require you to have some flexibility in your schedule because this is a split shift. It's Monday through Thursday, and you'll work from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then again from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. All they're requiring for this role is that you have 1 year of experience in a learner-facing role in education or customer support. And finally, the pay for this position is $26.92 to $33.65 an hour. The next position I have for you is through Wealthfront, and they offer a high-yield savings, bonds, automated investing, stocks, and more. And the position they have available is a client services representative. And in this role, you'll provide email and phone support to Wealthfront customers, helping them to better understand Wealthfront's online tools and resources, and assisting them in understanding asset allocation and explaining investment risk profiles. You'll also assist clients in understanding and analyzing the performance of their investments and the potential impacts of client risk decisions. You will need 1 year of experience in retail banking, wealth management, asset management, and/or in the fintech industry. They do also list a bachelor's degree as a requirement. However, if you have several years in the retail banking or wealth management, then I would still recommend applying for this role. In addition to that, they do require that within 3 months of joining Wealthfront, that you obtain your Series 7 and 66, which are licenses that enable financial professionals to sell securities and to be personal financial advisors, financial planners, or financial sales representatives. It also allows you to become an investment advisor or wealth and asset manager. And finally, the pay for this position is $55,000 to $65,000 plus equity. The next position I have for you is through SeatGeek, and they are a platform that enables users to buy and sell tickets for live sports, concerts, and theater events. And the position they have is a People Operations Specialist, and this is somewhat of an HR-based role, so you will need to have some experience in payroll or HR, so human resources, to be a good candidate for this role. And as part of your job duties, you will be responsible for maintaining data surrounding onboarding, promotions, terminations, and transfers. You'll deal with hiring, processing I-9s, and you'll provide some Tier 1 and Tier 2 level support for issues relating to policy interpretation, HR system, and technology. As far as requirements for this role, you'll need to have some experience with Greenhouse, Workday, and Jira. But if you have experience with similar systems, those could be applicable as well. And finally, the pay for this role ranges from $45,000 to $70,000 per year. And so I would say if you do have some previous HR experience, your target salary should be between $55,000 and $65,000. The next position I have for you is through Classy, and they are somewhat of a subsidiary of GoFundMe. They're a software company and online fundraising platform designed for nonprofit organizations. And the position they have is a customer care generalist, and this is a contract position. And in this role, you'll provide customer support to Classy users through product education and technical assistance. You'll also help customers with billing inquiries, and you'll help with process improvement. They're not requiring much for this role, just that you have exceptional customer service skills, and so they do list those types of skills as required. And then as far as preferred, if you have previous experience working with a nonprofit and the unique challenges that nonprofits face, that will give you a leg up when applying for this role. The pay ranges from $51,000 to $63,000 per year, plus equity, and of course, their benefits, which they do have an extensive list of, so you can pause and read more. The next position I have for you is through a company called Runway, and they are an artificial intelligence type platform that can create videos from just a few words. And they offer some pretty incredible features such as their video generator, of course, the text to video or text to image feature, infinite expansion of images with text prompts, so kind of like ChatGPT in that sense, and image recomposition. And the position they have is a creative support specialist. And in this role, you will be the voice of Runway, and you'll help answer questions raised by designers, visual effects professionals, students, and the overall user base of Runway. You'll primarily do this through email and chat with Runway's users, and you'll even provide support to the Runway community through their Discord server. All they're requiring for this role is that you have previous experience providing customer support over email, phone, and chat. And the pay for this position is $50,000 to $75,000 per year. The next position I have is through Sticker Mule, and this is a position that I have previously shown in other videos. They do everything from stickers, keychains, decals, bumper stickers, etc. And the position they have available is a sales consultant. And in this role, you'll develop prospect lists and perform email outreach to prospective customers. So you'll be identifying new prospects, converting them, and then also maintaining existing customers as well. You'll also create quotes, spec samples, and orders, and you'll educate customers on products and services, whether that's by phone, email, or providing webinar and screen sharing if necessary. All you'll need for this role is to have previous sales experience and to be willing to travel for meetings, shows, and events. And the pay for this position starts at $69,000, but can be higher based on experience. The next position I have for you is through a company called Flock Safety, and they are a safety as a service type platform or operating system that empowers private communities and law enforcement to work together to eliminate crime. They offer devices that are powered by LTE and solar that can be installed anywhere, and their devices offer license plate recognition, gunshot detection, and live and recorded on-scene video. And the position they have is a customer experience specialist, and in this role, you'll provide support to Flock Safety customers via phone, live chat, and email. And you'll educate customers on how to effectively use the software and products. In addition, you'll partner with product, engineering, operation, sales, project management, and customer success teams to resolve escalated issues. And you'll assist in building out the Flock Safety Customer Help Center. All you'll need for this role is 2 years of previous experience in a customer-facing role, and you will stand out if you have experience with Salesforce or any experience troubleshooting technical software. And of course, if you have prior experience maybe working for ADT or another home security type service or software, that will definitely give you an edge over the competition. And finally, the pay for this position is $55,000 to $60,000 per year, and they do offer stock options as well. You can pause here and read through some of their benefits, but we'll move on. The next position I have for you is through Life Marketing, and they offer social media management services covering everything from email and SMS marketing to PPC management. and they offer their services across multiple platforms including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter. And the position they have available is for an inside sales representative. And in this role, you'll be responsible for prospecting, so sourcing new leads, developing those leads, and then closing with those new clients. They state that their audience consists primarily of small to mid-sized businesses across different industries, and they're looking for someone who's motivated, energetic, and friendly, and that has a sincere passion for sales. The pay for this position is $50,000 to $65,000 per year with unlimited earnings potential. In addition, they state that Life Marketing is growing fast, so there may be opportunities to move up to higher positions such as Director of Sales. All you would need for this role is 1 to 2 years of sales or customer service experience and to be passionate about digital marketing. The next position I have for you is through a company called Vero, and they are a real estate property management solution that helps landlords, brokers, firms, and renters handle tenant screening and leasing workflows. And the position they have available is for a customer support specialist. And in this role, you'll be responsible for supporting renters that are applying through the platform and also the managers that are reviewing and managing applications and leases within the platform as well. And you'll primarily provide that support through chat and email, but you'll occasionally need to provide some phone support or schedule a virtual meeting if that's the most effective way to resolve their issue. All you'll need for this role is some basic customer service skills, but of course, if you have experience in property management or as a leasing agent, that will be highly applicable when applying for this role. Other than that, you will stand out if you have previous experience with Intercom, Guru, Jira, or FullStory, and knowledge of the multifamily residential rental process. And although they don't list the pay for this particular role, they are highly competitive in the other roles they offer as far as compensation goes, so the estimate for this role is between $50,000 and $60,000 per year. The next position I have for you is through Nonstop Health, and they provide an insurance option for employers with over 50 employees. And they make it accessible by not requiring carrier, provider, or insurance broker charges. And the position they have available is for a training and education coordinator. And in this role, you will support the training and education team by producing various member education benefit material in written and audio format. You'll also create member, client, and broker distribution lists for newsletters, surveys, and member notifications. You'll support open enrollment meetings for new and renewing clients, including hosting and co-hosting meetings, creating open enrollment presentations, and recordings for open enrollment videos. And that's just a snippet of what you'll do in this role, so you can pause and read more of the job description. And then as far as requirements go, you'll need to have 2 to 3 years of experience in marketing or customer service in the healthcare industry and proven experience in customer and member benefits or health insurance education. And finally, the pay for this position is $67,000 to $70,000 per year. And that's the last job that I have for you guys today, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please leave a comment down below about what type of video you'd like to see next.